Welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 3. Let's read together, starting with Lydia. Lydia, quae haec verba non audit, medo digitos suo sostendit, in quibus nulli annuli sunt. Lydia, aspice mede, in digitis meis nulli sunt annuli, aliae feminae digitos annulorum plenos habent, me digiti vacui sunt. Medus, sacculus quoque meus vacuus est. Lydia annulum in mensa ponet, in oculis eius lacrimae sunt, medus qui lacrimas videt, sacculum suum in mensa ponet, neque vacuus est saculus, sed plenus numorum. Quanta pecunia est in saculo medi? In eo nona genta sestertii insunt. Medus, ecce sestertii nona genta. Okay, so let's, after you've practiced reading that on your own, let's translate together. Starting with Lydia. Lydia, who doesn't hear these words, haec verba, shows her fingers to Medus, on which there are no rings. So here we have haec verba, the accusative plural neuter. And so haec means these things in the neuter accusative plural. If it's feminine, it could also be feminine singular, haec. But so she doesn't hear these words. And to Medus, so we have the dative here, she shows her fingers. Again, we have this situation where suos, which is masculine, matching digitos, refers to her fingers. Didn't show. She shows her fingers. Okay, so Lydia says, "Look, Medus." Oh, I accidentally clicked ahead. Let's go back. Sorry. She says, "Look, Medus, on my fingers there are no rings." So we had the vocative case here, and the imperative verb here, aspice mede. Other women, aliae feminae, have fingers full of rings. My fingers are empty. Medus, my money sack is also empty. Vacuus, we see here and here, meaning empty, vacuous. Lydia places the ring on the table, sadly. Doesn't say sadly. In her eyes there are tears. Medus, who sees the tears, places his money sack on the table, and the money sack is not empty. Neque is the same as saying et non, and not. And the money sack is not empty, but full of coins, plenus numorum. How much money, quanta pecunia, is in Medus's money sack? There are 90 sestertii in it. Insunt is just in plus sum est est, sumus est sunt, so are in. And we could say in eo nonagenta sestertii sunt, there are 90 sestertii in it, but insunt makes it more clear that they're in the bag. Medus, look, 90 sestertii. So here in the margin we see that nonagenta is the Roman numeral XC, 100 minus 10, which equals 90. And up above we see that the ablative plural of qui is quibus, which is by whom, with whom, in whom, on whom, from whom. So here when we have in quibus, we have in which there are no coins, on which there are no rings. Okay, so try this on your own, read with meaning, and go to the exercise.